Hello Aryan, this is Monica and I'm calling from College Bhaiya. I'll be taking a small interview asking you about the career decisions you have made so far, okay? Shall we start?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
So Aryan, after 12th, how you made the career decisions and what factors has most impact and were the factors actually good parameters for choosing a career?
Okay. So first of all, I would like to answer that I'm an undergraduate and I'm doing my BTech and MTech integrated degree at Kids School of Biotechnology.
Okay.
And as biotechnology has a great interest, like after in 11th only I had this subject
Mm-hmm.
in my curriculum, and that subject I feel that that field is a very much interesting field. So I decided to have my career option in the field of biotechnology itself.
Okay. And how would you rate your choice of department and college out of 5? And if possible, what would you like to change about it?
Okay, so as I've decided that I have to do biotechnology, then I made a survey, or like I did my things like to search different colleges where biotechnology, where the scope of biotechnology is good, the labs and all. As you know, labs are very important in biotechnology.
Mm-hmm.
So I came across many of the different institutions, but I felt that KIT, the biotechnology career course that they offer, was a good one. Like it is a very like it is having good ranking and lab facilities also.
Okay.
So out of 5, I would rate Kids School of Biotechnology 3.5 to 4, because there are some things which will be requiring there
Mm-hmm.
for this perspective. Because for many things like infrastructure is good, lab facilities are also good,
Okay.
and some of the things need to be improvised there. But I would like to rate it around 3.5 to 4 from 5.
Okay. And are you having a job right now in relation to what you have studied, or are you applying those learning in your real life?
Okay, as I came in biotechnology, I get to have a bigger picture regarding the things which can be done using biotechnology.
Mm-hmm.
So I came up with 3 career options. One is the obviously the corporate area.
Okay.
Second is the research, the R&D and all everything
Mm-hmm.
for higher studies, academic, PhD.
Yeah.
And third, I came across with entrepreneurship.
Okay.
So I am into entrepreneurship right now. Like in my third year itself, like I have a 5 year course. So in my third year itself, I found out a technique which can be used using detection of oral cancer.
Mm-hmm.
So I have been working on that extensively. So regarding that, I have a grant right now. It's a BIG grant from BIRAT BST. So it is a 50 lakh grant, and it can like it's for 1.5 years, 18 months.
Okay.
50 lakh grant. So that grant is given to me for prototyping and further rectifications and collaborations. So I am into that grant itself, and you cannot say that I am employed right now.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's a grant which I'm working on, and I'll have a company regarding that.
Okay,
So
that's
I will
great.
have my revenue of my own.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I have pursued entrepreneurship in biotechnology.
Okay, amazing. So, did you go for any professional consultancy before joining your college?
No, I was very much clear about what I am doing, and I didn't have to go in any professional consultancy.
Okay, nice. And have you talked to any college student before applying to the college? And were those seniors random or were they related to choice you were confused about?
Okay, like the place where I did my like high studies, high secondary studies, there were not much seniors who chose biotechnology as a career option.
Okay.
I have consulted with one of my faculties here that who were teaching me that subject,
Okay.
and they had the idea. So I was knowing about biotechnology, and that fascinated me. So I quite made my mind that I have to do that. So I didn't consult with many of the people there, not even my seniors, because they are not much into this field.
Okay.
And considering my home here, many people they didn't heard about biotechnology itself, so they didn't allow me to do so.
Oh,
But I took a risk, and think that was a good risk because I'm doing well in this field.
okay. And if you had the service to talk to any college student of any department across the country, what impact would have been in your decision of choosing a department?
Okay, so first and foremost, I would like to say that if you want to create a change or you want to do good for yourself, you don't have to follow the crowd.
Mm-hmm.
There are many career options which you not get unless and until you enter into this field or you consult any other people who are into this field, because they only have to give you the in and out of everything. So I would like to say that if anyone who has completed his or her 12th exams, they
Mm-hmm.
want to pursue a career, then be very much sure about what you want and what you want to do. Not just to follow the crowd या electrical कर लेते हैं या engineering में चले जाते हैं या we should go for medical. No, there are many much options regarding this, related to this or other than this. Just follow your dream, like what you want to do, and then go for it. Conditions might not be possible for the family, like many people will not understand, but you should give it a try. And you have to keep 2 to 3 options in your mind, like if not this, then I have to do this.
Okay.
So
Right.
what best suits you, like yeah. If anyone has a creative mind, then he may apply for NEFT. He may go for like different fashion industries and all if he or she is interested. Like many career options are there, like according to the interest they must choose, not just to follow the crowd or considering the suggestions of everyone कि यहाँ पे पैसा ज़्यादा मिलेगा and all. That
Right.
is not the thing.
Okay. Okay. So Aryan, any insight you would like to give to upcoming students before they make this very important decision?
Yeah, I'd like to say that कि, if you want a bigger picture, if you want to do something very good in your life, then obviously any field will direct you to that place. Like if you're very much interested, but interest is the major thing, because I have seen people who will choose the degree, who will choose the course, but they leave in some time. They will leave in this because they will not feel good. They will not get that peace after studying those things.
Right.
So yeah, you have to fight a little bit for your choices.
Uh-huh.
It's good enough if people are understanding, but you have to give it a try. Like you have to keep 2 to 3 options in your mind which best suits your interest. That you are good at it and you can do that, and you want to take a career in that. It's not just कि अभी ये मिल रहा है तो अभी कर लेते हैं. If this will be your thought, then you are not going to make any change and further things.
Okay,
So you
Aryan.
have to make up your mind accordingly.
Okay. So that's it, Aryan. Thank you for the interview. And
Okay.